sounds, voice. Yeah, hard to know how else to do that. Yeah, exactly. Gabby before the show. Jeff, the master of the emoji.
First time ever.
The name of the sitcom.
Have you never seen it done?
Sitcom, please.
Well, he's a bum and he's obviously got to solve this puzzle.
Knows his business, doesn't he? That was easier than
Food.
Jeff, listen. You can only play what's in front of you. And you played it beautifully and well played, Gabby. But we're giving it 3 whoops. Babatunde before the show. Sophie sent me the name of the sitcom.
I mean, what's the actual record for solving one of these? Does anybody know?
It's, I don't know.
Few seconds.
How many?
Few
Few
seconds.
seconds.
2 seconds.
Well, we're on.
No, lower than that.
Yeah, but these.
We're on 50 seconds, Braden.
I'm sure less than.
I just had a look at the clock there. We're on 50 seconds.
I'm sure it's less than
Less than a minute. No.
less than 1 second.
No.
You're joking. Less than 1 second.
The world record. Yeah.
I'd say it's about 52 seconds.
Wow. Oh, he's got one side in.
Done it?
Oh my God! Well done, Braden.
When was the last
Wow.
time you picked up one?
Boom.
When was the last